What if you never paid per lead again? Not per contact, not per name. Just one flat fee. Today I want to show you a new tool called Smart Prospect. It lives inside Smart Lead. It gives you verified leads with no per lead cost. No extra tool, no extra login. But here's the catch. Low cost does not mean lazy. Does not mean spam. I will show you how to use it the right way. The ethical way. Stick around, this will save you money and protect your sender reputation. Now let's focus to our screen, and this is the smart project I'm talking about. It searches over 300 million business profile. You pick who you want to reach, maybe a job title, and maybe company size, or maybe an industry. Then it hands you a real people, not all data, not guest emails, real leads. Check for you. The best part, you do not pay per lead. Most tools charge you for every single contact. This one skips that fee. Instead, you pay one flat monthly price. More on that in a minute. Now, Smart Prospect has an interesting features called multiple waterfall verification per near zero bounce rates. So the idea here is like a waterfall. Water passes through many layers of rock before it reaches the bottom. Clean water comes out. Smart Prospect works the same way. It checks each every email through several data sources. If one source is unsure, another sources checks again. By the end, you get a clean and working email. This matters a lot. Bad email hurts you. Every bounce email tells inbox providers your list is messy. That can hurt your reputation. It can even land future emails in spam. So fewer bounces is not just nice. It protects your whole outreach system. Now let's move forward to another topic. We already talked about the forget per contact pricing. And Smart Prospect also use an AI to rank leads. So it looks like a seeking a signal for like a job role, company size, or recent activity. Then it puts the best leads first, the one who most likely to reply. It also learn over time if a lead ignores emails again and again, then the system notices that it pushes that lead down to the bottom. And if the lead replies to someone, the system notices that too. It brings similar leads up. So this is not about taking anyone, it's about spending your time on people who are actually good. So if you're interested to using the Smart Prospect, let's talk about the money. Plain and simple. I want to be honest with you, so there's no confusion here. This is not a fully free tool. You do not pay per lead, but you do pay a flat monthly fee. Right now, July 2026, the price is around $59 a month. So this covers the checking, the scoring, and keeping the data clean. So new users get at least 2,000 free credits. That means you can try it before you spend anything. But once those credits run out, the $59 a month applies if you want to keep using it. How many leads you get each month depends on your smart lead plan. Bigger plans, more leads. That's the idea. Now here is my honest take. I do not like scrape lists. I do not like buying junks data from shady sites. That kind of list hurts your domain, it hurts your reply rate, and honestly it disrespects the people you are emailing. Smart Prospect fits a different way of working. Verified leads, real people, less waste, fewer bounces, but tools do not replace good judgment. You still need to write real human emails. You still need to respect the person on the other end. And clean list does not give you permission to blast everyone with the same message. Use the tools to find the right people, then use your words to talk to them like a human. Now, here's the simple version. All the topics we are talking right now. Smart Prospect gives you verified leads inside with no per lead cost. It checks each email 3 times. It uses AI to rank the best lead first. You pay one small flat fee each month, not a per contact. If you are tired of paying per lead for junk data, this is a worth look. But remember, the tool finds the people. You still have to earn the reply. Now, if this video helped you, hit subscribe. I will share simple, honest way to run a ethical cold email without the spam, without the tricks. Drop a comment if you want me to test the Smart Prospect Live and show you the real result. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.